Today's myths are all about fertilising, and the first one is that houseplants don't need fertiliser. Now, within this pot, or any pot that you buy, there's around 2 to 3 months of good quality nutrition in there, and after that time, you should really start fertilising your plant with every other watering. That means that when your watering is slowing down and the plant's using less water, it's also getting less food, and when you're giving it more water, it's more likely to be growing more and therefore needing more fertiliser. The second fertilising myth is about homemade fertilisers. You may see viral things online using banana skins and eggshells, but unfortunately they don't work. Houseplants in a pot don't contain all of the beneficial bacteria to break this stuff down and make it accessible to plants. And even if they did, there's not even that much in here. And people often quote how much potassium is in a banana, but when it comes to fertilising, it's not in particular things you need to look at, but fertiliser as a whole. For a plant to absorb nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, it needs to have a particular ratio of those things to be effective. Otherwise, you can actually cause nutrient lock, where plants will actually not be able to absorb certain things because there's too much of another thing in the pot. Another drawback of using these things is that they contain a lot of organic matter. So when you pour that into your pot, it can encourage fungus and bacteria to grow, especially things like anaerobic bacteria, which cause root rot, and the increase in organic matter in the pot can also attract those annoying fungus gnats too. The last fertilising myth is that you should stop fertilising in winter, and in general, that's not true. You fertilise whenever your plants are still growing. So if your plants are pushing out new leaves, then continue to fertilise them. Just like us, even if we're sitting around, we still need nutrition. When you're using a fertiliser like this dissolved in water, you're using this instead of your regular watering. There are granules that release fertiliser slowly over time, but I prefer to do it this way because you're in full control of how much fertiliser your plant's getting throughout the year.